Hi, I'm Daniel's Audrey, and today I'm preparing a magic flan cake. These are all the ingredients I have for the cake. Over here I have half a cup of caramel. Over here I have half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Over here I have 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. Right here I have half a tablespoon of baking soda, and next to it there's 1/8 of salt. Over here there's 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate chopped. Over here is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Over here is half a cup of buttermilk. And next to that is half a cup of sugar. Here is just 2 large eggs. Next to that is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Over here is for the 6 eggs. There is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, which is 2 cans. Next to that is 2.5 cups of whole milk, and next to that would be 6 ounces of cream cheese, plus 6 large eggs and 4 large yolks, and last but not least is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first step to making the flan cake would be to put the caramel in the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds of the caramel being heated up in the microwave, we're going to take it out. We're going to evenly pour it into the bundt cake. Alright, so after you pour the caramel into the bundt cake, you're going to take the flour and pour the flour in there. Then, you take the cocoa and pour the cocoa in there. After that, you're going to take the baking soda, and the salt. And you're going to pour that in there too. And then you're going to stir it around with a whisk. So, after we stir everything up, we put the butter into the chocolate. We stir that. And just get that in there. And then, after that, we take the butter / chocolate and put it in the microwave at 50% for 30 seconds. The chocolate mix will need to be mixed about every 30 seconds for 3 minutes. And we're going to put it back in there for another 1 minute. So, we're going to continue to take it out, put it back in. And stir it a little more. Now we're going to put it back in there. Alright, so now we have the mixture of the butter and the chocolate. And we're going to take that, we're going to stir it in here. We're going to continue to stir. And then we're going to add...
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the dry ingredients and we're going to pour all the dry ingredients into here. We're going to mix. Okay, so now that we've mixed the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, I'm going to evenly pour this into here.
And go.
Alright, so now for the flan part, I'm going to pour this condensed milk in there. Here, let's use the spatula. We're going to put the cream cheese. The egg yolk, the vanilla extract. No, I'm just kidding. The eggs with the egg whites in there. The vanilla extract. And then normal milk. You're going to raise it and turn it on a stir. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the liquid into the bundt cake. So we put the flan into a water bath so the flan cooks evenly, and we're going to put this into the oven for an hour and a half at 350. So what we have here is a perfect demonstration of density stratification. The chocolate, the heavier item, ended up from the top to the bottom of the cake, and the flan, the lighter item, ended up from the bottom of the cake to the top, demonstrating that lighter density goes on top and higher density goes on the bottom.
All the way through.
Stop, Dad. I got it. Okay, Dad.
As you can see, the chocolate is on the bottom and the flan has risen to the top. This is again an example of density stratification. Chocolate being heavier, flan being lighter.